Creativity isn't just for artists. It's a vital skill in everyday tasks. Let's explore how creativity enhances various fields. Creativity is everywhere. Solving math problems uniquely, making school projects stand out, or organizing a messy locker all require creative thinking. These everyday tasks show how creativity enhances our lives, making us more innovative and adaptable. Let's embrace creativity in all we do, unlocking endless possibilities. Dream it, spark it, make it. This is the creativity power trio. Dream it involves visualizing the unseen, like predicting a science experiment's outcome. Spark it is about generating multiple ideas, such as brainstorming history project presentations. Make it turns these ideas into reality, like building a volcano for class. Creativity transforms visions into tangible achievements. In science, creativity shines through designing unique experiments. English invites us to craft alternative story endings, while math challenges us to invent new problem-solving methods. Each subject is a canvas for creativity, transforming learning into an exciting journey of discovery and innovation. Let's dive into the Classroom Creativity Challenge. Quickly list 20 careers in 60 seconds. For each, identify how they use imagination, generate new ideas, and what they create. Doctors imagine diagnoses, chefs craft recipes, engineers build bridges. This exercise reveals creativity's role in every profession, sparking innovative thinking in our daily lives. Start a creative solutions board to highlight clever work. Celebrate classmates who think outside the box. Keep a journal of your innovative moments. These practices help you become a creativity spotter, recognizing and nurturing creativity in everyday tasks. This skill is crucial, as creativity is a top skill employers seek across all fields. Creativity is a top skill employers seek. Whether you're a scientist, entrepreneur, or artist, creative thinking is your superpower. It fuels innovation, problem-solving, and unique perspectives. Embrace creativity in every subject, from designing experiments in science to inventing new math solutions. Harness this power to excel in any field you choose. Let's dive into a creativity test. Can you find 3 creative solutions to a school problem? Think about how a nurse uses creativity in patient care. Now, invent a new way to take class notes. Remember, creativity isn't confined to one field. It enhances problem-solving across all subjects. Embrace cross-training to boost your creative skills. Creativity. Cross-training is a game changer. Use art techniques in math or science methods in English. This approach broadens problem-solving skills and enhances creativity. Imagine solving equations with visual art or writing essays with scientific precision. It's about blending disciplines to unlock new perspectives and solutions. Video games, apps, and sneaker tech are born from creativity. You have the same creative power. Embrace and unleash your creativity.